السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. كيف حالكم يا طلاب؟ أتمنى أن تكونوا بخير. Good day students, how do you do? With you is Ustaz Jibril Abdul Wahab, the Arabic teacher. And the topic for the third week of this term is Awzan al-Af'al al-Mujarrada. I enjoin you to lend me your ears and be attentive. I shall firstly read the text from beginning to the end. Then I will now give my explanation. Al-af'alu al-mujarradatu hiya al-af'alu lam al-asliyatu al-wazni fi at-tarkibi as-sarfi. Al-af'alu al-mujarradatu hiya al-af'alu al-asliyatu al-wazni في التركيب الصرفي وتنقسم إلى 1 الأفعال الثلاثية و2 الأفعال الرباعية المجردة. الأفعال ترمز بالوزن فعل في الماضي والمضارع يفعل. أوزان الأفعال المجردة: الماضي، المضارع، الأمثلة. فعل يفعل، ذهب يذهب. فعل يفعل، جلس يجلس. فعل يفعل، قتل يقتل. فعل يفعل، عمل يعمل. فعل يفعل، حسب يحسب. فعل يفعل، قرب يقرب. فعلل يفعلل، دحرج يدحرج. The explanation of this text is such that we are trying to explain the Arabic structure, the Arabic text structure, and we are beginning with the ordinary verbs, measurements of ordinary verbs, and that is the Awzan al-Af'alu al-Mujarrada. Because Arabic language in many spheres is contrary to other languages, such that for every word you alter in Arabic, there is a measurement and there is a source word that such is derived from. And now we are discussing those source words that are, because Arabic word, the basic of Arabic word is 3-letter word. So, and that is what we are now discussing, the basic words in Arabic. We are now saying al-af'alul mujarrada. These ordinary verbs, they are the type of verbs that they are the original in the aspect of the the word structure. The word structure in as-sarf, something equivalent to morphology. And they are divided into two. We have al-af'alu thulathiyya. These original words are applicable to only two categories: the 3-letter words and the 4-letter ordinary words. Because you can not find an Arabic word that consists of only 2 alphabets, except if they are a preposition, and those are preposition. But in terms of words, in terms of whether noun or verb, so they must either consist of 3 or 4, but 4 in rare cases. Now let us dwell on the measurements, because in every Arabic word we use word fa'ala as the measurement of every word in Arabic, such that whatever thing that happened to this fa'ala, it will be uttered in the intended word that you are meant to use. And this table is showing such example. Now let us go to the table. We have highlighted the fi'l madi and fi'l mudari' with the example, past tense and the present tense, because it is not completed to only dwell on the fa'ala in the past tense. You must also dwell on the fi'l mudari' yaf'alu, because there are things, there are verbs that they are the same in their past tense, but in the present tense they are not the same. And this table consists of all the basic words we can find in the whole Arabic language. So they consist of seven basic words. Aside this, we can never find any other one. Now let us go to it. We have fa'ala, we have fa'ila, we have fa'ula. How do they take form? Fa'ala yaf'alu, that is one, and the example is dhahaba yadhhabu. You too can be by reading your Quran or reading any other Arabic book, you can extract those verbs that fall into this category. Fa'ala yaf'ilu, that is another one. Example is jalasa yajlisu. Fa'ala yaf'ulu, the example is qatala yaqtulu. Then let us go to the second category. We have fa'ila yaf'alu. The example is fa'amila ya'malu. Then fa'ila yaf'ilu. Those are the only two. You cannot see fa'ila yaf'ulu. You cannot see that one. So it is fa'ila yaf'ilu, then hasiba yahsibu, then fa'ula yaf'ulu. That's one alone. Example is qaruba yaqrubu, followed by the four-letter verb which is only one category. Fa'alala yufa'alilu. Example is dahraja yudahriju. Zamjara yuzamjiru. So those are the examples that are found in the script. So I enjoin you to also look for other words around you, so in books, in anyone, so that you can try and exemplify those words and look whether they match with this example or not, to enhance your understanding. I wish you best of luck. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.